guys, welcome back to the channel. My uncle just called and told me that something is outside, and I think it's what I've been waiting for, which is my autonomous desk. So let's see. Alright, let's go. And there it is. Oh my god, I wasn't prepared for this. My camera is all messed up, but this is the desk. We're gonna bring it inside. I don't think I could carry this by myself, but we're gonna bring it inside and we're gonna see what's inside. Let's go. This is what my desk is looking like right now. I don't really keep my desk that messy, but we have a couple water bottles over here. This is basically two desks, right? So it's two plastic desks I got from like Walmart, and the thing is they're bending and I can't get to stick adhesive stuff under there, so the cable management is bad. So I'm gonna fix this cable management. I don't know if I'm gonna rock with one table or two, but this is the before and we're gonna get started. So yeah, let's go. Poor i9 box. This was my monitor razor. I had my monitor in this because my monitor right here doesn't have elevation like that, and I ordered a monitor arm, but because this desk is so wobbly and thin, it was literally breaking the desk. So yeah, this upgrade is gonna be super nice and I can't wait till I'm finished. I already just pulled all the cables out, so now I need to pull all the cables out from here. I also have some cable raceways. I'll leave the links for this down below in the description. I'm gonna put this behind the desk and then route the cables through here. Almost finished. But this here table now, you can move up and down. So you can sit down too long, you can elevate up and you can stand up.
Oh, you mean you can
Okay, so after around 7 hours, I have the desk set up and everything, and look at this. Look how cool that looks, guys. So it's like almost at the ceiling. I don't know if I need multiple desks now or just use one, but check this out. That's sick. And the cool thing is, we have 4 different modes that we could choose from. So we could have one for 1 level, 2nd level, 3rd level, 4th level, and choose the different modes. But I haven't set anything up yet, so now I have to put all my peripherals, monitors, and everything on here. So yeah, let's go and do that. Okay, so I'm gonna set up this VESA monitor arm onto the desk because I need more real estate, and I think that this VESA arm will provide that. So I woke up at like 6. It's now 11:53. I took like a lunch break, nothing too serious, but this is what we're working with. So originally I wanted a bigger tabletop. I wanted the XL tabletop, but they didn't have it in stock in Canada, so I had to rock with the regular one right here. So what I did is I installed a VESA mount arm right here, so I could put over my gaming monitor to my left, and then I have my 35-inch in the middle, which is my video editing monitor. I love this monitor so much for video editing that I just can't get rid of it. The sad thing about this monitor is it doesn't have a VESA mount at the back, so that's why I couldn't put it off to the side. But yeah, it's looking good so far. Yeah, another thing, I'm using this on my power supplies. It's like a Gorilla adhesive tape, so I'm gonna stick it under the desk and hopefully like it stays there so I could keep my cable management looking nice. Okay guys, so it's currently the next day. As you can see, change Chevy. If you don't believe me, the first right there. But yeah, this is what my desk looks like now. It's kind of finished. I don't know, I think I need a longer tabletop, to be honest, but to be fair, I love this desk. It's way more sturdy. I could hold a ton of things on here. I also have some presets. Shout out to Autonomous. So I have presets for my height. So this is the sitting level for me. So that's pretty cool, right? Now I can just go here, sit down, game, edit videos, stuff like that. Really cool stuff. And I have another preset, which is the first one is to go back to height, standing level. The third one is like I don't know, I set the third one for like pictures, stuff like that. It's like a picture level, you know. So if I'm taking like thumbnails, it's a good level for like a thumbnail, you know. But that one right back to standing height, and it runs super fast, which was really crazy to me. But as you can see, we have some cables down here that we need to manage, so let's go ahead and manage those cables. And what I'm gonna use are zip ties, adhesive zip ties that came with the desk, which is pretty cool. So shout out to Autonomous for that, really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get started. I already did some cable management with cable raceways right here. So I have one race right there, one race right there, but the desks also have a hole that I run cables through as well. But yeah, we're just gonna get the cable ties and then run all these cables on the top so it looks pretty clean. Alright guys, so I finally think I'm finished with the setup, and whew, it looks so good. There's no cables showing apart from like the cables on the desk. Like I couldn't get rid of those, and the two cables right here because I need the length when I'm moving my table up and down. But if you look at it from here, there's no cables in my way, which I'm super proud of. Oh, look at that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to cut the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love making videos like this, like lifestyle things where I don't have to be sitting down, like moving around, making like a vlog style content. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down below. The reason I'm ending the video here is because I'm going to do a room tour. So I'll be talking about my projector setup with the speakers and everything. A dedicated review onto my desk setup, so I'll go through everything thoroughly and not just show you the setup process. So this was just like a part 1 to the video, so stay tuned for more, and let me know if you have any thoughts on how I could let my setup look better, like stuff that I could add. I did really good with the cable management, guys. Hope you're proud of me with the cable management. But overall, I'm super excited for the next video, and I hope you guys are too. And yeah, let's keep crushing it in 2020, guys. Love, peace, and happy setup building.